Welcome to the Science of Everyday Magic, the series that takes the mystique out of the extraordinary and reveals the scientific wonders behind the seemingly impossible. Today, we're going to delve into a phenomenon that has fascinated humans for centuries. Levitation. Have you ever marveled at objects, or even people appearing to defy gravity and float effortlessly in the air? It's as if magic is at play, but there's more to this than meets the eye. In this episode, we're going to uncover the science behind levitation, exploring the mesmerizing world of magnetism, diamagnetic materials, and even the key principle behind levitation is magnetism. Specifically, it relies on the property of diamagnetism. Diamagnetic materials are substances that are repelled by magnetic fields. This repulsion force is what gives the illusion of levitation. Diamagnetic materials. Certain materials, like water, bismuth, or some types of wood, exhibit strong diamagnetic properties. When placed in a strong magnetic field, these materials create an opposing magnetic field, causing them to be repelled. Superconductors. In some cases, superconductors can demonstrate remarkable levitation effects. Superconductors are materials that can conduct electricity with zero resistance when cooled to extremely low temperatures. They also exhibit strong diamagnetism. When a superconductor is exposed to a magnetic field, perfect diamagnetic response, allowing it to levitate above a magnet. This is often seen in demonstrations with superconducting disks and powerful magnets. 3. Maglev technology. Beyond mere scientific demonstrations, the principle of diamagnetism is also used in practical applications. Magnetic levitation, or maglev, technology is used in transportation systems such as maglev trains. These trains use powerful magnets to create levitation and propulsion, allowing them to move. Thank you for joining us on this scientific adventure. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share,